Hi, it's Terry from the Builderall team, and I'm back again with another video in the Creating an Instagram Account series. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit more about setting up your business page for Instagram. I've come to my Facebook business page that I'm associating with this Instagram account because now I want to refine it and make sure it's up to par. Be sure and watch the Builderall training videos made to help you set up your Facebook business page. I'm going to make a few changes here on mine, and I'm going to let's start here with the updating my profile picture. I'm going to click on update. I'm going to upload a photo, and I'm going to try this image out. I don't know how well it'll work because I created an image that had a small picture of myself, my username, and my logo on it. So I'm going to try it out. That looks like that might work. That's how easy it is to upload a picture. And I'm kind of experimenting with this design because it has my username in it, my image, and my logo. So it goes a long way towards my branding. I'm just not really sure I like it or not. So we'll see. The next thing I want to do is change my cover photo. And you can use an image or a video as your cover. Today I'm just going to do an image. I haven't quite finished the video that I want to put on my business page. So I'll just change it by coming here, going to change cover, and again it's just as easy as uploading a photo. It asks you if you need to reposition it, but that looks positioned very well. So some of the other things that you can do here is, let's come down here to the about. We're going to look at our category. I have it listed at this time as a health and wellness website, and the name Tune In to Sell, with my username at TuneInToSell. Here is where you come to edit your business details with my phone number, my website, the email address. Down here you fill in your about information. And of course, as you move down here, the more information that you have filled out, the more complete your bio is, the more complete view of your business your visitors will have, and you can target your marketing much more effectively. So spend some time, make sure you fill out everything that you need filled out. You also have an area where you can showcase your services, reviews, and you're probably familiar with the photos, videos, and posts sections of these pages. I invite you to check out the training on the Facebook business page and spend some time fine-tuning this. When we went through the process and created that first initial Instagram account, I wanted to make sure you knew that you do have the option in that screen during that process to create a brand new Facebook page from that screen. You'll be given the option to create a new page, and that will take you into the screens where you can set up a brand new Facebook business page. However, what we've just done is taken my existing Facebook page and we've connected it to a personal Instagram account. I just wanted to make sure that you knew that if you're going through the process of creating your first Instagram account, you can create a Facebook business page from that menu. I want to talk a little bit more about your Instagram Facebook page connections. Remember when we were talking about those niche accounts when we were first setting up our first Instagram account? I told you you could have several different Instagram accounts associated with your Facebook profile. And I gave you some examples here, like quilting or inspirational quotes, travel, pets, even scuba diving. Whatever your interests are, you can create an Instagram account tailored to that niche market. What I've done is I've considered this and I've begun to think about those niche accounts I might want to develop and create for my Facebook business page. Some of these might be recipes and posts about gardening. Take your time, build your Facebook business page with care, and it will become a gateway where your visitors, your audience, and your clients can find you. It's dynamic and evolving, and it's not something you create once and forget about. Think of it as your space online where you're greeting your audience and your clients every day. The more you can understand how to make Instagram work with Facebook, bringing the benefits of all those wonderful visual and eye-appealing images from Instagram into your Facebook account, the quicker you'll build your audience and tell the story that you're wanting to tell and create the business you're looking to create. I hope you learned a lot about how your Instagram and your Facebook page work together, but there's still lots to learn, so I'll see you in the next video.